Don't judge a cheese by its odor. Oftentimes, the bark is stronger than the bite. I'm Alex Porras. Right here we're at La Fromagerie Hamel, one of the biggest cheese shops in North America. And we take a lot of pride in our job so that our client feels like, wow, I'm touring the world with all these cheeses and flavors.
That cheese is so good when it's fresh. It's squeaky and it's so good. And they know everything about cheese. So that's why I love to come here.
It's really important to actually taste the cheese. That's one of the first things I say to people. Make sure you're totally satisfied with what you're getting. I really want some white wine, maybe later. So when you're buying cheese, it's important to know what you're gonna do with it. Are you gonna sprinkle it on pizza? Are you gonna fill up some cannelloni pasta? Or are you making a cheese splatter? Knowing the actual cheese's purpose is gonna help you inform your purchase. So how do you put together a really nice cheese board? Start with 6 cheese, maybe a soft one, semi-firm, and a harder one. Then you can vary the different types of milk. Have some sheep, have some goats, and have some cow milk. And you can end up with some different rinds too. So you really have to balance out look and flavor here. There's all kinds of ways you can dress up your cheese board. This is quince paste. Basically, you're looking for sweetness, be it with some honey, dried fruits, maybe a jam or two. When you're using nuts on a cheese platter, really try to avoid salted nuts. Cheese is salty enough. You want to go with neutral nuts such as walnuts, almonds, or if you're fancy, some hazelnuts. So a common question we get asked a lot is what to eat when I'm lactose intolerant. Go with sheep and goat milk. Those cheeses are usually going to be much easier to digest. And if you really want to go into the cow milk, try to go with the aged ones, right? So cheddars, goudas, parmesans. The more they're aged, the less lactose there is. Anyone know why there's aluminum paper on blue cheese? To stop the aging process. Blue cheese is fun. Blue cheese is scary, but fun. Fungi are your friends, basically. You don't have to be scared of it. It's natural, and that's really what makes cheese great. So one of the common mistakes people make when they buy cheese is actually rewrap the cheese with plastic. Plastic is not a great idea. It'll alter the aging process. It'll actually give some plastic flavor to the cheese. Just try to keep it in the same paper that your cheesemonger gives it to you. Those papers are specially made to let the cheese breathe, and it'll keep longer. I've had a love affair with cheese for as long as I can remember, and maybe now you can start yours too.